Hi, smart and experienced homeowner. Ever wonder who you should trust with your home's comfort and energy efficiency? It's a no-brainer to go with the Attic Doctors. We've proudly worn the Home Depot Pro Badge for an entire decade, serving Orange County homeowners with utmost dedication and professionalism. Not just that. Our seasoned team carries the weight of over 30 years in the home improvement business. Yes, that's 3 decades of excellence. We're triple licensed, a C2 insulation contractor, a C20 HVAC contractor, and a General B contractor. We don't just do the job, we're certified experts in it. Our reputation? Spotless. 0 negative reviews from real paying customers, it's 100% safe with us. We assure you, when it comes to materials and equipment, we never compromise. Only the best, premium stuff for your home. Who's steering the ship? Our owner, directly involved in every project, making sure you get the best service without any middlemen. No hypes or hassles. Get in touch with the Attic Doctors today and take the first step towards a cozier, energy-efficient home.